Miami for a blockchain and a cybersecurity conference. Okay, just strip out all of that lot for a second. What do you think of cryptocurrencies? Are you investing?
Well, I have never bought a cryptocurrency. This blockchain conference, it's a blockchain conference, but of course that includes cryptocurrency. Their theory is that if they educate people, and they got some amazing speakers, that everything will be understandable at least. I have never bought a cyber-currency. Blockchain is certainly going to be a great change for all of us. It's going to change the world as we know it. I'm not so sure about cryptocurrencies.
Okay, blockchain though, in what way does it change the world as we know it? What's the great opportunity here in blockchain?
I wish I could figure that out. I hope I will learn at this conference, because I haven't found a blockchain investment yet. But Stuart, it's all in China, for instance, they don't have money. I tried to buy an ice cream cone the other day. Poor woman couldn't sell it to me because I had money. I didn't have on my phone how to pay for it, so she gave me the ice cream. I wish I'd been buying a Mercedes.
So you think blockchain solves this problem, or blockchain blockchain does what? Tell me what it does for me.
Well, for one thing, it instantly pays everything. Instead of right now, if you and we get a bill, we send a check in, it's processed, has to go through the various departments to the bank's got to pay. It's all done automatically. It's a miracle for somebody like me who barely understands computers, but it's all done instantly with a lot less paperwork and a lot less processing.
And Jim Rogers has not yet decided how to get into the blockchain technology.
Stuart, if I find out at the conference today and tomorrow, I'll let you know.
What is your major investment right now? What is it? Is it in a stock, or is it in a bond, or what is it?
Well, I own a lot of U.S. dollars because the U.S. dollar is down. It's going to go higher. I guess I own a lot of Chinese shares, Russian shares, Japanese shares. Asia, I'm more interested in Asia right now. You know, the Japanese stock market's down 50%. The U.S. stock market's near all-time highs. I know you buy low and sell high, Stuart. I've known you a long time.
Okay. You're dishing out the compliments this morning, and that's real good, James.
I'm going to have to agree with him. That's the name of the game, right? The dollar is getting weak right now, and it may seem like a bad idea to be holding U.S. dollars. But like I said, if you watch the previous interview, there's a good chance the stock market, the real estate market, all of these markets will correct. And when we're in a recession, we all know cash is king. So I don't think it's a bad idea right now in this market. I definitely think you should have some sort of money invested in cryptocurrency, but probably not the whole portfolio. And I do feel like having cash is really important. And for me, I'm probably, if you compare it to my stock and my cryptocurrency investments, I'm about 50% cash. And that's why when we were going, or it looked like we were heading down to a $5,000 Bitcoin, I mean, I was okay because I knew that I was going to be just buying more and more of the asset. So it's really interesting that at least for now, the people on Fox News are still, most of them, and like I said, I think it's also just a generation thing where they do not understand crypto and they are still waiting for use case scenarios. And that's another reason too, I feel like we're not going to immediately hit that $1 trillion market cap, and to see another bull market like we saw in the end of 2017, we're going to need a lot of adoption, and we need the people that have most of the money, which are the baby boomers. They own about 85% of all assets. Millennials only own 15%. So until they buy in, or they have Wall Street and pension funds and institutional funds that can invest for them, crypto is always going to remain small. So only time will tell. We'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys think, and be careful. Like I said, we did have a little correction here, and I'll be looking to buy more cryptocurrency if it does go below the $250 billion market cap. I don't think it will happen. I do think that it should start to flatline and start to go back up to the all-time high of 850 billion, but we'll see. And let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon.